So you're a working creative and you're wondering, how can I have more visibility for my business? Here are some of my favorite ideas. Write up a press release on your business. Sit down and come up with 3 different story angles. Send it in to a local TV show or even a national podcast. Let's see, another idea. Collaborate with other people in different genres. So if you're a writer, collaborate with someone in the arts industry. Use your creativity to come up with an angle that will help you guys work together. And let's see, what's another good one? Put a workshop together. Go teach a seminar. Pitch it to a bookstore or some kind of conference or organization. There's always events going on. Go to the website, see how you could submit an idea for an event. Let me know what ideas you have and check out my description for even more ideas.